Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna go through how to create an email account for your Bluehost website. So there are two ways to do this. First of all, you can go to websites, click on settings, then you're gonna click on advanced and you're gonna scroll down until you see your cPanel. You're gonna click manage. And here you can actually find email tool and you're gonna click on email accounts. Now, as you can see, you can create here. So you can click on a plus button and you can basically choose a domain which on top of you want to create an email account. If you have few domains, just choose one. Now you're gonna enter your username. So for example, something like so. And now you're gonna enter the password and you're gonna click create. And that's how you do this. You can also have some optional additional settings. So like a storage space, you can make it bigger and also automatically create folders or do not automatically create folders. Send a welcome email with instructions to set up a mail client and stay on this page. So yeah, just basically gonna click rate and that's how you do this. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.